Finding an apartment, talking with the apartment manager.
I saw the for rent sign outside. You have an apartment available?
Yes, a 2-bedroom.
How much is the rent?
The rent is $1,900 a month.
Is the apartment move-in ready?
Yes, it's ready now.
Great. Is there parking?
Yes, we have underground parking.
Good. How about laundry?
Yes, there is a washer and dryer in each suite.
How about the damage deposit?
The damage deposit is 1 month's rent.
Are utilities included in the rent?
Yes, utilities are included.
I have a dog. Is this a pet-friendly apartment?
Yes, but small dogs only.
That's fine. Does it have a home office?
Oh, yes, there's a small room you can use as a home office or dining room.
Nice. Is there a balcony?
Oh, yes, each apartment has a balcony.
What about security?
We have 24-hour security.
Sounds perfect. Can I see it?
Sure, I can show it to you now.
Find online lesson plans and other resources for your class of ESL beginners on the ESL Directions website.